Good morning, Clearborough, North Dallas. 23 Toyota Corolla GR. So this car is a 3-cylinder twin turbo, kind of the race car for the Corolla. It's a matte paint job from the factory. We put the Xpel Stealth film over that to protect it, so the paint doesn't get any staining or damage from trying to clean it up. And we also tinted it all the way around with the windshield in 80 with the XR Plus product, the highest heat rejection available today. So let's real quick go over this. Lots to do today. So on this hood, when we do the hood, everything's nice and clear, no markings, no adhesive marks. When the film goes on, there is problems that can happen if the handler or the installer doesn't practice certain protocols. Vents came off, so we don't have any line around it. Everything looks nice and even because it is the, whether it's a gloss paint job or going over the matte paint job, we want it to look as if it wasn't even touched. So everything goes in and under. We don't want any lines. Hoods are fully wrapped. Headlights are even wrapped and clear. All these edges get wrapped. We don't want any signs of the film. That's our whole goal. We take these little guys out. Mirrors came off, piece of cake, so we don't have any lines around that. Door handles came out, so we don't have any lines there. These little rubber things, they pop up, so we don't have any lines there as well. So that's one of the benefits to an installer that's going to try to make it look and achieve that. All these edges get wrapped in, both sides. Rockers fully done all the way underneath, so there's no edge here to get dirty, and they're wrapped into the door, so there's no edge here, and you can protect that from your shoes. All these little pieces for the applique, all done and wrapped behind. They don't come off. They do, but we're not going to take them off. We don't want to damage anything there. More than likely, there's probably a couple clips and some adhesive, but we've got tools that can help us get where we need to get, so it's nice and tight like that. Doesn't even look like the film's on it. And here, taillights come out real simple. So we wrap in all behind there. Full roof in, it's a carbon fiber composite. I'm sure that's a pretty good ad. This is unusual Toyota with a carbon fiber roof, the matte paint. It's a cool little motor. All these emblems came off. Back here, here's our exhaust system for this little monster. Bumpers all done in one piece. It gets seamed right here. I would love to do it in one piece, but it's kind of a tough one with the thick film. It's 8 mil thick. So we got a slight seam right here. Coming into, okay, this was also taken out, obviously. Wrapping these fuel doors. No lines. We don't want any lines. Just like our doors, our quarters. This goes in gloss. Wrapping our full quarter. Starts at the tail light and goes all the way around to the front fender. One section, and this all gets wrapped in perfectly. So there it is, much more of the same over here. Everything looks fantastic. And that's it here at Clearborough, North Dallas. So any questions, concerns, just give us a call at clearboroughnorthdallas.com on our website. There's 3 phone numbers. I'll give you one of them, 214-414-3809. And I'm Brent, and I'd be happy to chat with you about whatever your next project might be for a PPF, window film job, paint correction, ceramic coating. We also do training for PPF and tint, but let us know, and take care. Bye-bye.